Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Erudition Gesture Elden Ring, easy method. Start by heading to the inland ruins near a minor grace and follow the Scholar NPC path east. Avoid heavy fights and focus on stealth routes, using torrents to bypass patrols. Collect the required key item from a lone corpse, then return to the NPC and choose the correct dialogue option to unlock the gesture quickly and safely. Move steadily and stay calm as I guide you through each step. Use torrent to bypass hazards and approach the ruined library from the north side. Take the stealth route around patrols and climb the broken stairs to the lectern area. Open the small chest hidden behind books to find the key item. Return to the Scholar NPC and select the dialogue choice that grants the Erudition Gesture without unnecessary combat. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it hilarious when it interrupts boss fights, and it actually cleans well. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. A few simple tips make this method faster and safer for most players. Equip light armor and speed-boosting talismans to slip past enemies, and use stealth items if patrols close in. Always rest at a nearby grace before starting the sequence so you can retry instantly if you fail. These small habits save time and keep the run smooth, letting you get the Erudition Gesture with minimal frustration and fuss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.